This has been a huge week for AI news. Did you see what Google's new Gemini 2.5 Pro model just pulled off? OpenAI's latest image update is turning heads, MidJourney has a serious competitor, and DeepSeek had another big update. AI companies are making power moves this week, and you need to know about them. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan, and my mission is to help you navigate the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools and prompts, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for my free guide in the video description or pinned comment below. So in this video, I'm cutting through the noise to bring you the most important AI news that is actually worth paying attention to. Let's jump right into it. First up, Google just dropped Gemini 2.5, which they're calling a thinking model. Now, what does that mean for you? It's basically Google's answer to the reasoning abilities we've seen from other models with much better problem-solving capabilities. This is Google trying to catch up after falling behind in the AI race last year. What makes this interesting? From what I've seen, this model can work through complex problems step by step, making it useful for research and automation tasks. This might be worth testing against your current AI stack. The next big update is OpenAI releasing image generation improvements for GPT 4.0. If you've been frustrated with the quality of AI-generated images before, this update is aimed at fixing those issues. The standout features include better aspect ratio control, so no more weird stretching or cropping, and more accurate color rendering. What this means for marketers, you can now create more precise visual content without jumping between multiple tools. Third on our list is Reeve, which is making waves as a serious competitor to MidJourney. Reeve is reportedly crushing benchmark tests and image quality scores. After running some quick tests, I'm already seeing impressive results. This is worth watching because MidJourney has dominated this space for so long, and real competition could drive prices down and quality up. The next big piece of AI news is DeepSeek's V3 model update. According to the team, it's outperforming GPT 4.5 while being 100 to 200 times cheaper to run and 5 times faster. Let me break down why this matters. DeepSeek V3 is available under an MIT license, meaning anyone can use it for free. It's smaller than competing models, but still packs serious performance. For small businesses that can't afford the big API costs from OpenAI or Anthropic, this could be a total game changer. The team recommends turning off their DeepThink feature for simple tasks to make it even faster. I'll be testing this out soon. And finally, we're seeing major AI companies ramping up their lobbying efforts to change regulations. Meta, Google, and OpenAI are pushing the Trump administration to override state AI laws and secure access to copyrighted material for training. This is the part of AI that nobody likes to talk about, the behind-the-scenes politics that could shape how these tools develop. These companies want to use copyrighted material without clear permission or compensation. As a content creator myself, I have some strong opinions about this. The outcome of these lobbying efforts could impact how AI tools function and what data they can legally use. If you create any kind of content, this is something you should keep an eye on. So there you have it for AI news this week. Which of these updates are you most excited about? Drop a comment below letting me know, or if there's another AI development I missed that you think is important. If you've made it this far into the video, I truly appreciate you. If you found this AI news breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more insights on AI.